Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today we are going to prepare a delicious flavor-packed food which is combination of excel grain basmati rice, fresh herbs, whole spices and minced chicken. Guess what? A combination of these items when served on a plate is so satisfying and filling to everyone who loves pulao. Yes, let's prepare today chicken keema pulao. This is simple recipe. I am dividing it into 4 steps for your understanding. First, keema marination. Second, soaking rice. Third, preparation of onion masala. Fourth, preparation of pulao. So, let's start the procedure with marinating the chicken keema. I have taken here 500 grams of chicken. Let's add Kashmiri Red chilli powder, coriander powder, Garam masala powder, ginger garlic paste, finely chopped mint, finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup of yogurt, now mix everything to combine all the spices. Make sure everything is combined together and set them aside for 30 minutes. Next, soaking rice. Wash basmati rice couple of times and soak them in water for 30 minutes. Now, heat a pan, add some oil, and once the oil is hot, add Cashewnuts. Fry them and transfer to a bowl. Next, fry some onions until they turn golden brown in color and transfer to a paper towel. For onion masala, in a big wok, add some ghee, add some oil. Now add the spices bay leaf, mace, cardamom, star anise, cloves, cinnamon, shahi jeera, few chillies. Fry them. Now add slit onions. Fry them until they turn translucent. Now add the chopped mint leaves, chopped coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste and some salt to taste. Now mix everything together. Add 5.5 cups of water for 4 cups of basmati rice. I am going to add half cup of milk later to the rice. Now mix everything well, allow the water to boil and keep aside. Finally, for the pulao, in a deep wok, heat some oil, add green chillies. Now add the marinated chicken keema. Now cook this in the oil, add some salt and cook for few minutes. Now close the lid and cook for 15 minutes. Now you can see the water is oozing out from the chicken. Cook until all the water evaporates. Add the soaked basmati rice. You can add the rice either in layers or on the top of the cooked keema. Now add the prepared onion masala water on the top without disturbing the rice and the keema. Do not mix it, but you can spread the onions evenly. Now I am going to add half cup of milk from the top and make sure to not mix it. Spread generous amount of ghee onto the top and to the sides. Now cover this with a lid and cook until all the water evaporates and the rice is completely cooked. Now spread fried onions and cashew nuts on the top and the yummy delicious chicken keema pulao is ready to serve. You can see the beautiful color and the blending of all the spices. You can serve this pulav for lunch or dinner along with raita or on its own. This pulav is an aromatic plate of tasty food. You can also pack this for lunch box the next day and it's even more tastier every time you eat it. Do try this yummy mouth-watering chicken keema pulao recipe and let us know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!